Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually sell on Shopify. Now, we know for a fact that Shopify is one of the biggest platforms right now in the industry, and anyone that wants to break away from the 9-to-5 rat race and get the financial freedom that you have always been dreaming about, you can do that on Shopify, because you can dream it and then you can sell it on Shopify, and you can discover the reason why millions of entrepreneurs right now are moving to Shopify, because you can bring your vision to life with their easy to use store creator, and there's no coding expertise that is required at all. And even better than that, you can select from hundreds of customizable templates that are crafted by a community of world-class designers, and you can add more features and functionalities to your store with the app extensions from trusted Shopify partners, and you can connect with customers everywhere, no matter where they are in the globe, either the UK, the US, Australia, China, India, Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, or even South Africa. You can sell online, in person, or both with the marketing tools and the integrations and the sales channels that you would need to get your product in front of customers. And everything that you need to succeed is available in one click, because you can manage your inventory, you can track your payments, and view real-time business insight, all from a single dashboard. They've built all the tools that you need so you can focus on building your business. And obviously with Shopify, they are empowering entrepreneurs everywhere, and you could be one of them. With millions of merchants worldwide working in 175 countries, with 5 million jobs that have been supported, and $444 billion worth of economic activity that's been done. And obviously one of the reasons why I personally feel that Shopify is one of the best platforms is the support, guidance, and assistance that you get with Shopify, from the Shopify blog, from online courses, their community, and their help center. And if you don't have an account on Shopify, don't worry guys, click in the description below on the link and get Shopify for 90 days. And all you need to do is set it up. But before you do that, I want to talk about the pricing. And in order to find the pricing, all you need to do is click on pricing. And once you do that, it'll take you to the next page where you have 3 elements, obviously, that you can select from: the basic, the Shopify, and the advanced. Now you can save 10% by paying yearly, and it's going to be $17, $44, or $266, or start off monthly, then obviously move on to their yearly plan. And I would always recommend to get it for 90 days by going and clicking on the link given in the description below. But if not, always go for the basic for $19, and you can always upgrade later on and head over and find a better version of it that works for you. So you can always start with the 19, then head over to Shopify and level up your business with professional reporting and more staff accounts. And once your business takes off, you can always head over and get the advanced, where you get all the best of Shopify with the custom reporting and their lowest transaction fee for $299 per month. It may seem like a lot at first, but obviously once you drop shipping and get thousands of dollars every single day, this is literally going to be peanuts. So obviously we're going to go for the $19 per month, but you will enjoy the features with all the plans, such as online store, sales channels, point of sales, and 24/7 support. And you can always go for an alternative solution for your business. For example, you can have the starter $5 per month and sell product through social and messaging apps, or starting off with $2,000 per month and get the enterprise power for high volume businesses. But again guys, this is what comes later. Always start off small and then gradually start building your store. And once you've done it, all you need to do is click on start the free trial and check it out for 3 days. And in order to do that, you can click in the description below on the link and get it from there. Once you log in, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. On the left hand side, you can have your home, your orders, your product, your customers, analytics, marketing, discount, your online store, and the different apps that are available. And obviously you can select the theme that you want, and you can select a landing page that really attracts your customer. One of the basic elements that you got to keep in mind, guys, is the fact that you need to make sure that you have a competitive advantage, and that comes from creating a very attractive landing page where your customers are going to come and see what kind of products you're selling. Once you've done it, the second and the most important question comes is, what are you going to sell? And for that reason, I'm going to show you some of the websites where you can find certain products. And obviously, in before before we do that, we need to understand the research element, because there's a lot of dropshippers right now that will select random products which do not have implications, which do not have the right methodology and strategy. And that is the reason I always tell every individual to head over to AliExpress, because once you head over to AliExpress, you'll see all the different items that are available that you can sell. And obviously there are items that a lot of people are looking for, and items that people are interested in, and items that people want to get, and these are available on Shopify. So for example, if we search for a particular item over here, let's say we're going to go for a bean bag. So when we search bean bag over here and hit search, we will see they're selling bean bags. Now obviously there is certain elements you got to keep in mind. For example, you have the price, you have the best sorted, you have your orders. So we want to make sure that we actually get the right products. So we're going to click on orders over here, and then we're going to select which are these particular products that we want to get. We're going to go and we're going to search for the iPhone 11 case. And once we do that, it's going to search all the different suppliers that are selling this particular item. And once you head over here, you can see the amount that have been sold. Now there's three elements you have to keep in mind whenever you select a particular item. The first one is obviously the price. It needs to be as minimum as possible. And obviously the lower you get the cost for the particular item, the higher you can sell it for. The second thing you're going to look out for is the rating for that particular product. So we want to select a particular product that has a high rating, and then we're going to select a product that has been sold for a high number of times. So let's scroll down and see different products. Now this product over here is for 395 rupees. Obviously this is in rupees, so we need to change it into dollars. And how you do that, it's very simple. If you scroll up right over here, you will see this English language over here and the currency. We're going to change the currency from here, and we're going to go to the US dollars, and we're going to hit save. Now this obviously is one of the things people need to understand, and this is crucial that you always change the actual price that you want, the language that you want it, and where you want it to be shipped as well. So it's going to give you the complete information of exactly where it is, so you get the right price for the particular product. And that is the reason why I always tell individuals to make sure that they go thoroughly through the website to understand the different features and dynamics of the website, to ensure that they have the right information so they can make a sound judgment and decision. So once we scroll down, you'll see that this is for $1.77, and 9,884 have been sold. So clearly this is a product that people are buying. And for the sake of argument, we can say that this individual had already made around $20,000 off one product, and so can you. It's very simple and straightforward, guys. You got to look at the pricing, you got to look at the amount that has been sold, and you got to look at the rating that has been sold as well. If you look at this product over here, 17,420 have been sold at a price of $16. So just imagine if you buy this particular product and you sell it for $20, you might sell 40,000 of this. That is a massive profit that you can actually make off a very small product. And obviously it's only one product that you need to ensure that your dropshipping account can take off. But I recommend, and I give this tip to every single individual that speaks to me, that comments in our videos, that make sure that you diversify your portfolio. You want to have multiple products that are available. Now, once you've done your research and you selected a product over here, you want to make sure that you get the best possible price for that product. So head over to another website, which is called ebay.com. Now, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the different products that are available. So we're going to go back to the iPhone over here. We're going to copy and paste this from AliExpress, and we're going to head over to eBay, and we're going to search for the same item over here on eBay. Now guys, this is where the research element comes in. So you got to make sure that you do your research, you check out what is actually being sold in the market, what are the different prices at which it is being sold, and based on that, you need to select a product that can make you a lot of money. And that is the reason why I always recommend individuals to do primary research and secondary research, because once you combine the both, that is the time that you can find the right product at the right price. Once you've done your research on eBay, head over to Alibaba and do the exact same thing. Search for the product that we searched in the other two websites and search it on Alibaba. Now, the thing with Alibaba that I personally love is the fact that Alibaba cuts out the middleman, and it gives you a price that is relatively very cheap. This product is being sold for 10 cents, and if you scroll down, you'll see different products that are available dead cheap. And obviously, the cheaper you get it and the higher price you sell it, the more money you're gonna make. So this is the simple and straightforward way to actually start off your Shopify business and getting different products and researching and selecting products that can make you the maximum amount of money. If you have any questions, guys, please do ask me in the comment section below. And if you've not subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to the channel. And if you do not have a Shopify account, click in the description below on the link and get Shopify for 90 days. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.